Hey guys!
Hi everyone!
We are here at Saratoga Springs. We have just checked in and we're going to show you the room before we trash it, and there's going to be a lot of bits and pieces coming afterwards in terms of the amenities and stuff like that. We've flown on Virgin Atlantic, if you can't tell by what Ollie's doing.
And
so,
this is a deluxe studio.
It is a deluxe studio, yes. Thanks Ange, I'm glad one of us is a professional here. Right, as you come in, full length mirror. There you go, there's Ange in the mirror. And then you've also got some hooks here to be able to hang your coats up.
And a little room occupied.
Oh,
Ross and Neverland
right,
side.
go on. Oh, there's the door behind you.
So as you come in,
Yep.
so that would be if you had, I think that's a one bed lock off.
Yes.
I think so you can get
Join
this
it.
with and join it with another room, but we've just got the studio. Got a little kitchenette, so big full size fridge. Oh, little full size fridge.
It's still a big size.
It's yeah, it's a decent size fridge.
Is there a freezer in it?
No.
No freezer
No
in
freezer.
it? Okay.
Microwave, watch out. Microwave, sink,
You've got coffee machine, toaster,
cupboard with fire,
extinguisher, nothing there.
nothing in there.
And
And
then-
then ice bucket, utensils, plates and everything are going to be up there.
Yeah, up the top. Yeah, you can show everyone in a second, buddy. 1 minute.
And then behind, 180. Let's just close this for a minute. There's the sink.
Lights, click them on. There we go.
Oh, that's nice and bright.
There we go.
Nice and bright. H2O, yes, they've given us some.
So, wait a minute, what's in this drawer?
Oh yeah, just 2 little drawers. And hair
Hair
dryer.
dryer, towels and toiletries down the bottom.
And then we've got
Extra pillow and blanket at the top,
hangers, ironing
just
board,
in case you want to
iron,
hoover.
Hoover. Well, yeah, because the DVC stay you only get housekeeping every 4th and 8th day, so
Yeah.
I think is it towels on the 4th day and full
Full
housekeeping
change
on
on
the
the
8th.
8th. Safe, which is the smallest safe in the world.
Yeah, they're not big safes in the studios. And then we have a full bathroom. We got
Which
a
is,
bath.
yeah, so
Yay.
a bath shower with the usual H2O stuff there, and then that's your kind of double-headed shower, and then the throne. There you go. Oh, and towel rack
Towel
things,
box.
please. Yeah, that's the one. Moving into the main bedroom now. You have crazy mirror. Hi.
Oh, look, it's like
Yeah, what is that? I was just looking at that.
fancy.
Oh, press it again. Something happened
Oh,
over there.
look.
What's
you
it
can
doing?
turn it up and down.
What does it do?
Does this dim
Is
the
it the
room?
fan? No, it's a fan.
That's the fan. What does this one do?
Oh, do it again. It's the fan light.
Oh, is it dimming it?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's
Okay.
fancy.
That's fancy. So there's a
That's
dimmer.
a fancy fan.
Yep. So you've got the fan, but you've also got the air conditioning.
Yeah, which is here.
Yep. And then at the side of the
Oh,
bed.
look at those fancy lights.
I know, yeah, you've got the lights, but you've also got the plug sockets, 2 plug sockets, 2 USBs.
Oh, yeah, that's good news.
And that's on both
And
sides.
2 drawers in both bedside.
Yep.
Both bedside cabinets have 2 drawers, and the obligatory Bible is in this one.
Daddy,
Oh, how comfy is the bed? How comfy is the bed?
Go on, Al, give us the review. Comfy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And then we've
My
got
bed.
these. What is that? Is that got drawers in it?
I don't
That's
know.
good if it's
Let's
got
find
drawers
out.
in.
Pull it out. It's
Oh,
got
yeah, it's
drawers
got
in it.
drawers in. That's good news because these drawers, I've already looked, are really small.
Oh, yeah.
Like I thought this was gonna be a really big drawer because it looked it, but they're tiny. And we
then-
overpacked as usual.
You're going to love Resort TV.
It's the best.
This sofa here, Ollie, get ready to watch his face because he hasn't got a clue. Go on, move out the way, move out the way, move out the way. Can hands do it, can hands do it.
Watch out.
Oh, watch out, Al.
Watch out.
Oh.
I've not done this.
And he's going to break it.
I'm
Keep going, keep going.
I need to move the thing. I'm gonna hit it.
I thought that goes on that hand.
Does it?
Yes.
He's
Doesn't
not.
it? Pull it down.
Oh no, this
My
is.
shoes are there.
I don't think it
Pull it all the way
does.
down. Oh no, I might be wrong.
I don't think it does.
Ah, I'm wrong.
You
There we
are
go.
wrong. It's lower than
So
it.
there you go. There's the
That's
bed.
Ollie's bed.
Is it
Look,
blo-
Ollie.
Who is that?
Horses. I spy a hidden Mickey.
Where? There.
There's the hidden Mickey. Ange, what's in this?
I don't know because it looked like it was gonna open, didn't it?
Yeah. Oh.
But I don't know if it's. Oh, okay.
Oh, look at that for storage.
So we've got more storage.
We could put Ollie in there and lock him away.
Could totally put him in there.
Alright, Ollie, show everyone the balcony.
Watch out.
I can't get out
Is it
there.
I can't
I'm gonna
close it.
leave Ange to try and fix that. Good luck with that.
I can't do it.
Wait.
Oh.
And then here is the balcony. We're on the 3rd floor, and you have your usual like 2 chairs and a table at Saratoga. And then this is the view coming from room 5336. Basically, you've got the bus stop there and a car park.
It's okay. We've got a balcony that is not on the bottom floor for the first time ever.
I know, yeah.
At
Apart
this
from the
resort.
one we did at Beach Club.
No, this
but
resort.
that wasn't a balcony.
No, that was like a one person
Come on,
who can
Daddy.
stand outside. But this is the first
That
time
one could
we stayed
go
at Saratoga.
back.
This is our 5th stay, and we've always been on the ground floor. So I am
Yeah, I'm
so happy that we're on the high floor.
That's the room, but we're not finished. We're going to show you all the amenities and stuff like that. So that we're probably going to film that another day, but you're going to see it right now. So here's your main entrance as you're walking in. As you can see, they're very much pushing the director room stuff, which we did, which was fantastic to be fair. And then here's your reception. Concierge. So there's your main reception, and they've got all the horses from all the different films on the back wall. And as you walk to the left, this is like a lounge area, which then takes you into the artist palette, which is the quick counter here. And then you've also got the shop to the right. I'll just quickly show you. So here's your shop. You've got all like your DVC merch as you come in. Christmas stuff here, for seasonal. And t-shirts and other merch. If you forget anything you need, like medicine or anything like that, they do have a section at the back here that has it all. So like plasters and like paracetamol, well not paracetamol, like Advil and all that type of stuff. Toothbrushes, all like your Vaseline, tissues, Tylenol for the kids, nappies. Yeah, so that's in here, and then you've got the quick counter section here. So you got your Joffrey's coffee, and then your refillable mugs. Still doing the old style. I haven't got the Coke Freestyle in this one. And then your fridges, so your beers, also for DVC. So you got like all the food that you can buy there. Tons of drinks. And then this is the main part where you can order your food, and a lot of it's mobile order now, which is really convenient. Makes a big difference. So as you can see, it's a pretty big resort. We're currently over here in the paddock. That's where we're staying. And then you've got the main area of all this stuff here. You've got the grandstand, which is a little bit out into the golf course, but it has its own section. And if you go into Disney Springs, this is your walkway here. So like Congress Park is your best option if you can get that, which is preferred. So here, Congress Park and Springs are your preferred options for your DVC. And the paddock, the carousel and the grandstand are your traditional. And you've got your treehouse villas over the side. But yeah, if you want to get a walkway, you can come down here. You can also get a bus if you want. That's your bus stop. And literally you can get off there, walk down here onto your walkway, and then take the walkway all the way to Disney Springs. If you're going to, if you're at like a park and want to go straight to Disney Springs, and there's not a Disney Springs bus. And then this over here is the High Rock Spring area, which is the main pool at Saratoga. So you've got like a big water slide there, little kids swimming like pool on the right hand side with Donald Duck in it. Just there, the splash zone. Then I can show it you from here. Can you see that? Splash zone. For you new guys, down at the bottom there, that is going to be the subscribe button. Please subscribe to our channel. Also like this video and give us a comment, because it really means a lot when we get to read them.
It does. We love comments.
And if you're late to this video and you don't know there's more in the series, the one at the top there, that's the next video. Till next time.
See you later.
Catch you later.
Bye.